This video covers the National Corvette Restorers Society New England Regional, which took place on May 2019. The regional consists of several parts, one being judging people's cars based on correctness to typical factory production standards. There's also seminars to educate people to the standards, and also there's a display of historical significant cars, and this year there was three of them. One was a 1966 big block, which was sponsored by Alan Green Chevrolet. It was an absolutely stunning, breathtaking restoration. Another one was a 64 big tank coupe, which was campaigned in SCCA. And last but not least was one of the most pristine, absolute gorgeous restorations ever done, a 1956 Corvette SR2. It's the Sebring Racer, which has so much historical significance. It is an absolutely stunning restoration. Some of the people that drove this car was Jim Jeffords, Augie Pabst, John Fitch, Dr. Dick Thompson. You know, the list goes on, and not to mention Jerome Earl, which was Harley Earl's son. Okay, Jerome Earl was racing a Ferrari, and General Motors said, you really need to get your kid into a GM product or something. So they actually created this car so he could race this. It is absolutely beautiful. It has a works engine with two throttle bodies onto it. The interior it looks like a custom. It has formed aluminum panels that are polished that went into the cove. You look at the trim that goes around the cove where the door gap is between the door and the fenders, and it looks seamless. The two pieces of trim butt up against each other. It's absolutely beautiful. So highlights are some of these cars coming in. You can hear the roar of the big blocks. You can hear the whines of the small blocks. And it was just an absolute fantastic event. Hats go off to the New England chapter NCRS. They've put on many events of this caliber, and they just keep getting better and better. The restorers that restored these cars, absolute thanks for them for bringing out their wares. The owners, thank you for bringing your cars out. And the people that were actually doing the seminars, passing their information, their knowledge to others is just beyond measure. Thanks to everybody, a fantastic event, and enjoy the pictures.